window clock.
This beautiful baby came all the way from Scotland.
This beautiful baby.
My window.
Ooh.
Hello.
Slidey.
Hiya. Alright.
Right.
Has it got the seal on it? Seal. Seal. No.
Not really. Okay.
Can
It's
we
got a
move-
rubber seal there. I mean, I just guess when I'm fitting these kind of things. Oh, it's got like steps where you can lock it.
No.
Doesn't really lock though. That's cool, that is.
That is cool. I like.
Oh yeah, it don't lock. Gonna have to fix that.
Cool.
And then the clip must be worn out. Yeah, it is. Oh, jolly good.
The clip.
Yeah, the locking clip's worn out.
It looks bowed a bit, doesn't it?
It should be there. Oh. See, it locks if you push the window.
Be alright for now.
It's quite curved.
That's what I thought.
It's concerning.
Why?
Because your door isn't.
It is actually.
No, not like that.
That's just the window that's curved though, it's not the actual frame, is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So,
My window.
I mean, I'm just going to have to try. So what I'll have to do, I reckon, is cut the hole to fit over that bit. Spunk that in sealant. I'll probably take this seal off actually,
Why?
because it's old.
You're old.
Yeah, I'll take that off. I'll put new glue on it, and then put 4 pieces of batten on the inside and use the self-drilling screws from the outside to drill through and clamp it. I think.
Why do that though?
To hold it in.
Is that what yours is like as well?
Yeah. I don't really understand how these windows work, because they're like, they just sort of push in, but nothing
What
holds
keeps
them
it
in.
Then, yeah.
My other one's different. This has got a H seal, so that actually locks it in. Let's have a look then on the outside.
Oh, that looks massive.
So which way do you want it to open? That way.
I think, yeah. I don't know. This is where my measurements come in completely wrong. Babe, you should have 50, no, it's 500 millimeters.
Cool.
It's raining. Oh yeah, there's like a massive gap
Oh wait,
at the top, isn't
the clip's at the top of the window. That's strange. But this is the way that the labels are, so that's how it's meant to be.
Pilkington.
We'll have to make like a bit of a security thing on it, I think, so you can lock it properly from the inside.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because the drain holes are at the bottom. There's a screw point in there. Oh, I wonder if there's screw points in it actually. Oh, there is, all the way around.
Oh, what is?
So, you see?
Oh, you don't need to make holes in it.
There you go.
Okay.
So you screw it in from the outside
Yes.
and cover it with this seal.
Okay.
Clever.
Fantastically do, good laughing.
So we can put screws in all of that.
Nice.
That's easy.
That is easy. What do you want me to do?
I don't know yet, but I just might need some extra hands.
Okay.
So, because I need to obviously make sure it's straight for a start. So it wants to be in the middle.
Do you still need to extend it?
Or does it want to be in the middle? Would it be better to go higher and then go on that top rib and Yeah, I think that'd be better. Because then it's flat on the top, it's flat all the way around. So let's just get it.
Is that not going to look silly though?
No. It should look okay. That looks okay, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's not really, is it? But yeah, I don't mind that.
It's a narrow window though. Right. So what we need to do, I need you to stand here and push against the middle of the window like.
Still a big gap.
Huh?
Still a big gap.
I reckon that looks good like that. So what we need to do is just measure from this hole to the edge 26.7. So hold it very still.
It moved.
Huh?
It moved down on my left.
Quite a lot, I think.
Quite a lot. It moved as soon as I said it moved.
5.5. Yeah, it's moved 5 mil. I think that's the best it's going to look because you think floor level is about here. So, you know, if you do it too low, you're going to have to. It's just going to be shit, ain't it?
Yeah, I know.
We'll do it and see how it looks. If I have to trim it a bit, I've got tools to do that. I just hope I can. I hope I can cut it with some snips. I've got to do this with tin snips. Right, I'm just going to go for it and see how we get on. If I do it too small, I can always trim it. But if I do it too big, then it's game over. What we do is start by drilling a hole. Should be able to get my snips. Into there, hopefully. I'm going to try it. I've got my tin snips. They're pretty good. But obviously I'd prefer to use a jigsaw. However, try and avoid using the power tools as much as I can. I need a better angle on this. 2 minutes. I'll get my chair.
Wow, that's so strong.
Yeah, these are decent. These are. The only problem is you've got the rib. There's a rib thing in the middle. So I might need to get power tools out for that bit, I don't know. So there's like a rib rattle trap that goes across the middle. And I can't cut through that obviously because it's massive. So I'll go around and do the rest first. Proper flimsy shit metal. These van walls are. Probably gonna have to reinforce it from the inside. Alright, got the big guns out now. Snap the blade. Alright, so I snapped the blade, and I've only got one blade, so I'm doing it by hand after all. Absolutely fantastic.
so close.
Yeah.
Be careful. Well done.
They don't go anywhere near this.
Okay.
It's like a razor blade.
There you go.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Right folks, there we go. I was filming when it came out, but my memory card blew up, which is great. So I'm just going around now and just straightening up all the shit edges. So we've got a nice thing to work against with the sealant. All I'm doing at the minute is every time you cut with a tin snip, it makes an edge, just because of how they work. So I'm just flattening them all down. And then we should be good to go. A lot of people pay for this. They get the bonded windows on the side. But, you know, that's like what, 300-400 quid or something. This has cost 50 quid in a couple of hours of work. So when you work into a budget, there's always ways around it. Some people don't even bother putting windows in because you know the cost, but it's really not hard. You just got to have the balls to cut a hole in the side of your van, pretty much. Which, fair enough, a lot of people don't, especially when they're 30 grand in on a brand new van. But it's really not difficult at all. I should do a test fit really. I don't think I'm going to be able to get it out again. I might have to put the sealant on while it's in, but I need to know that it's going to fit. Which I think it will, with a bit of a knock. Just the top edges to go in now. Oh, that might need trimming, you know. Looks good though. Straight, so the hole is cut. The window now fits. Took ages of faffing around to get that done. But we're sorted. So because we've only got these two indents here, what I'm going to do is just pack it out with sealant because it's only that tiny bit. So I'm going to put sealant all the way around on the seam and then just build it up there and smooth it off. I think it'll be alright. I've got some bloody good sealant. You know, it's not like there's loads of indents, then I'd think about putting packing strips and stuff. But I think for this, because the water's not, it's not like on the roof where the water's going to sit there and attack it. It's just going to run by it. So I'm just going to go with sealant, I reckon. Alright, just putting a bit of paint on the edges here to stop it going rusty. Right, so that's that on there. So what I'm going to do now is just go over the edge where the sealant's going to stick with some brake cleaner, just to make sure it's all clean and we're going to get a good contact, because any grease and stuff will mess it up. and then it will never seal properly. So it's better to give it a clean up. Inside edge of what's already there. Alright, let's get her in. Right.
Need a hand one.
I'm alright. Okay, so that's seated. So, now I need to go get the screws, start screwing it in. So to screw the window in, I'm using these little self-drilling tech screw things. This should do the job, hopefully. Start in the corners and work my way around. Don't do it too tight. That squeezed the sealant out nicely though, which means it's doing its job. Oh. That's pulling in nicely, that is. Alright, that's the 4 corners done, so now I'm just going to go around and do the rest of them. Right, that's it. All on, sealed up. I'm just putting the little cover strip back on. It covers all the screws up. Quite happy with that. It looks pretty good. Turned out well. I'll just get this strip in and you can have a proper look. Alright folks, there it is. All in, sealed up. Should be good. But just got a little catch mechanism here for the slide. Decent little window that is. 50 quid. Awesome. And that's probably it for today. I've had enough. What a place to be doing this build out there, eh? Right, could you ask for anything better? We've got everything we need. And I've just got to do it. So today I've done window and insulated this panel and this panel. So tomorrow I'll do the door, then move all the crap over to that side and insulate all down there. And yeah, it's going good. How you doing, big boy? Here he is. He's a bit dopey today after having his stitches out. He had to be tranquilised because he wasn't playing ball. It was unbelievable how crazy he was going. I ended up getting my shirt ripped. So that's not bad. Got the cone on for one more day and then it's going in the bin. Hey? Cone's going in the bin. Yeah, it is. Yeah. No more lampshaded. Right, that'll do for day 1. So let's carry on tomorrow.